Should law enforce moral values? A question that has been a subject of debate for centuries, and two men, Hart and Lord Patrick Devlin, put forth contrasting views on it, thus giving birth to the Hart-Devlin debate. This debate, a legal and philosophical discussion, revolves around the relationship between law and morality, and it remains influential in legal and ethical discussions to this day. Hart, a firm believer in legal positivism, argued for a clear line between law and morality. He suggested the law's primary function should be the maintenance of order and the protection of individuals' rights, not enforcing a particular moral code. Hart placed an emphasis on individual freedom and autonomy, proposing that the law should only step in when necessary to prevent harm or ensure basic societal functioning. On the other side of the debate was Lord Patrick Devlin. Devlin took a different stance, arguing that there is a vital connection between law and morality. According to Devlin, the law should uphold and preserve the moral fabric of society. He contended that certain moral values are crucial for the cohesion and stability of a community, and the law should intervene to safeguard these values, even if it means limiting individual liberties. In his view, the collective interest in maintaining shared moral standards through legal enforcement outweighed individual freedoms. The Hart-Devlin debate primarily revolved around two key issues. Firstly, the role of law and morality. Hart argued for a separation between the two, while Devlin advocated for a connection. Secondly, the debate touched on individual freedom versus collective morality. Hart emphasized individual freedom and autonomy, while Devlin prioritized collective moral values over individual freedoms. The questions raised during the Hart-Devlin debate reflect the broader debate about the law's appropriate role in relation to morality and individual liberty within a society. Devlin questioned whether there is a common morality within a society that the law should uphold to maintain social cohesion. He also asked about the limits of tolerance for behaviors that might challenge or undermine the moral values shared by the community. Devlin further inquired about the role of the law in preserving moral standards and whether it should actively intervene to prevent actions that might erode these standards. Lastly, he explored the idea that certain individual actions, even if consensual, could cause harm to the collective moral conscience of the community. In conclusion, the Hart-Devlin debate raises important questions about the relationship between law and morality, and the balancing act between protecting individual freedoms and maintaining societal moral standards. It's a debate that continues to resonate in contemporary legal and ethical discussions, reminding us of the complex interplay between law, morality, and society. While the Hart-Devlin debate has been influential in legal philosophy, it has not escaped criticism. Some critics argue that it oversimplifies the intricate relationship between law and morality. They contend that it fails to consider the complexities and nuances of societal values and how these dynamics influence the creation and enforcement of laws. Others have raised concerns that the debate does not adequately address the potential for abuse of power when the law is used to enforce societal morality. Despite these criticisms, the Hart-Devlin debate continues to be a cornerstone in discussions of legal philosophy, prompting us to reflect on the inherent complexities of law, morality, and society. Moving our focus from the global perspective to a specific context, the Hart-Devlin debate holds relevance even in the context of Nepal. Much like other nations, Nepal's legal system grapples with the same questions of law and morality that Hart and Devlin debated. The principles outlined in the debate can be seen in discussions about individual freedoms versus societal moral standards in Nepal. In fact, the Hart-Devlin debate provides a framework for understanding the complexities of these issues in the Nepalese context. For example, the debate about whether laws should reflect societal morality or protect individual freedoms is mirrored in discussions about women's rights, caste discrimination, and LGBTQ+ rights in Nepal. Despite being a debate that originated in the West, the Hart-Devlin debate continues to provide valuable insights into the ongoing discussions about law and morality in Nepal, demonstrating its enduring relevance and universal applicability.